Alright, here we go, installing Keycloak on Windows Server 2019 Data Center. What I have pre-installed is just 7-zip and Microsoft Edge. What we'll need first is OpenJDK. A lot easier installing Java nowadays than it used to be. Now let's head over to Keycloak. We will download the latest version. I'm going to unpack that here. Copy that on over to E. And let's get a command prompt as administrator. And we should be able to just fire it up. So far, it looks good. Keycloak's a pretty powerful tool. I really like it for setting up either your own internal authentication or authentication to Google and Twitter or Facebook, or connecting it to your LDAP directory. Looks like it started up just fine. We'll create an admin account to start with. Let's log into it. There we go. Looks pretty good. Alright, well that's the installation of Keycloak. You can see all the providers here. It makes it very simple to set up your own authentication, either for your mobile apps or for your Active Directory users. You want them to be able to come in from the outside and authenticate through another tool. This is a really nice tool. You can create as many realms as you want to separate your different types of authentication. And of course, you have your clients under here for many apps connecting to share the same users in groups, but to function a little differently, I guess. Next time, I guess I will walk through how to import users. Thanks.